Have you ever wondered why Venus, our neighboring planet, is often referred to as Earth's evil twin? The story begins with our earliest observations of this glowing orb in the night sky. As one of the brightest celestial bodies visible from Earth, Venus has always held a special allure. Our ancestors were captivated by its radiant glow, sparking curiosity and intrigue across ancient civilizations. The planet was named after Venus, the Roman goddess of beauty and love, a testament to its dazzling brightness. Initial observations led to the belief that it might be a celestial sibling to our own blue planet. Its comparable size and proximity to the Sun were enough to stir imaginations, and many pondered if Venus might harbor conditions similar to those on Earth. But as we delved deeper into the mysteries of Venus, we found out that its beauty hides a harsh reality. As technology advanced, so did our understanding of Venus. The first spacecraft to brave the journey to Venus was Mariner 2, launched by NASA in 1962. This pioneering spacecraft revealed the startling reality of Venus's scorching temperatures and crushing pressure, higher than any we experience on Earth. But the exploration didn't stop there. The Soviet Union set its sights on Venus and launched the Venera program, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. The Venera missions not only visited Venus, but also achieved the first successful landing on another planet in 1970. The lander endured long enough to transmit back to Earth the shocking conditions on Venus's surface. A world of extreme heat, immense pressure, and a landscape that appeared more like a vision of hell than a potential second home. Further investigations unveiled another harsh truth about Venus. Its atmosphere, far from being a protective blanket like ours, is a thick, toxic soup, primarily composed of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This lethal atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect on steroids, trapping heat and making Venus even hotter than Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. These discoveries transformed Venus from a potential Earth twin to a vision of hell. But our curiosity about this enigmatic planet hasn't waned. In fact, it's only grown, driving us to continue our exploration and understanding of Venus. Despite its hostile conditions, Venus continues to fascinate scientists. Just when we thought we knew this planet, a recent discovery sent waves through the scientific community. In the thick, choking atmosphere of Venus, researchers identified phosphine, a gas typically associated with biological processes on Earth. While this doesn't guarantee extraterrestrial life, it certainly has scientists scratching their heads, asking the question, could something be alive on Venus? This tantalizing discovery has spurred renewed interest in Venus, prompting space agencies across the globe to plan ambitious missions to our sister planet. Among them, NASA stands out with its two upcoming missions, Veritas and Da Vinci Plus. Both are set to launch towards the end of this decade, aiming to study Venus's geological history and probe its hazy atmosphere. And it's not just NASA. The European Space Agency has its own mission, Envision, scheduled to take off around the same time. This spacecraft will use radar to map Venus's surface in unprecedented detail, hoping to shed light on why Venus developed so differently from Earth. Meanwhile, the Indian Space Research Organization is gearing up for Shukrayan-1, their first mission to Venus, focusing on studying its atmospheric chemistry. These planned missions, along with the phosphine discovery, underscore the fact that Venus, our celestial neighbor, still has untold secrets waiting to be discovered. The mysteries of Venus, it seems, are far from being fully unraveled. So, what have we learned about Venus so far? This neighboring planet, named after the Roman goddess of beauty, has fascinated us since the dawn of civilization. Early observations painted a picture of a radiant jewel in the sky, but our understanding of Venus has evolved drastically over time. The Mariner 2 and Venera programs unveiled a harsh reality. Instead of an Earth-like paradise, we found a scorching, inhospitable world, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, crushing atmospheric pressure, and clouds of sulfuric acid. Yet, recent discoveries and future missions continue to stoke our curiosity. We've detected hints of phosphine, a potential biosignature, in Venus's atmosphere. And we're gearing up for new explorations, like NASA's Da Vinci Plus and Veritas missions, that will further probe the planet's secrets. Venus, our neighboring planet, remains a world of extreme contrasts. Beautiful yet deadly, familiar yet mysterious, tantalizing scientists and space enthusiasts alike with its enigmas.